Okay, hiya folks. We are revisiting the 2-layer mask. This is my lovely daughter, Kaya. Hello. And can you turn that way for a sec? You can see here that there's a pucker, which isn't great. So I'll show you how we deal with that. This is where Kaya is glad I don't like pins. We just have these little clippies and want to have it so that the mask that's staying is flat against the skin. And then you grab the puckery part, you do that, and then kind of imagine it like a dart. And then to there. Okay, and then we do the same on the other side. There we go. And then we're going to transfer that change onto the pattern, and then all future ones should be good. Thank you, Kaya. Okay, so we've got the adjustments on the mask that we need to make, and we're going to put those onto the pattern. Make sure that nose goes to nose and chin goes to chin, and then we're just going to mark where the darts go. So that goes there, and that goes along there, and right here is where that edge of that dart is. So kind of mark there, and then this goes along. Come on, fiddly fingers, like this. That's about as awkward as you can get. There we go. Okay, so that goes like that. And then I'm going to put this seam along here, so I'm getting the depth correct. Get you out of the way. So I want it to go to about here. Okay, so approximately this is our dart that we want to not cut out, but we can just sew it together like that. Okay, so I don't want to open up this part, but I can either open up the sides. Well, I'm going to have to for sure open up the sides, so I guess that's what I'll do. I'll open up the sides, turn it inside out, and re-put these darts in. Yeah, so that's what I'm going to do. Alrighty, so now we've got these open again. These are out, and now I have to put these darts in. Not sure how well this is going to work. Oh, yeah, that's okay. Thought I'd have problems with that, but nope, we're good. Alright, so this is the nose part. This is the nose part. So I want to take this and this. Make sure that's the same. Yeah, I'm going to go seam to seam here. Yep, and I want that to be in the middle. That's good. I'll take one of my fucking awful pins. Like that. And it's going to go to about here. There we go. And I can do the other side. So I'm putting these pins in where I want to stitch. And then I'm putting this end pin in where I want to stop. So I'll just make a straight line like that. Okay, so I'm also going to do the same on this side. And then I'll sew it up. Alrighty then, so I have just put these darts in on all 4 sections, and now I'm gonna hopefully turn it right side out. Fingers crossed. I'm a little concerned about the nose part, but we'll see. As I said, I've never done this before, so I'm sure there are probably easier ways to do it if you actually know what you're doing. Alright, so that looks like what we wanted to do. Not bad. Okay, so now I'm just going to go back to putting these guys in. And And just like before, I'm going to use the clippies in the middle and then the pins at the edge. I want to kind of push the white loop over. So I don't actually want to stitch on the loop, so I'm keeping it around the pin. So if I just stitch between the pins, I hopefully should not get any of the white elastic. All right, make sure both sides look all right. Okay, and I'll do that on the other side. Actually, having those darts in there keeps this folded down better because I folded it down before I did the darts. So that seems to have worked well. It's a little bit wonky there, but it's fine. I'm sure Kaya isn't going to notice or care. All right, so now I'm just going to sew between there and on the other side, and that should have us done. I'll show you in a minute. I'm not sure why I didn't finish this up, but as you can see on the picture of my dear Kaya, everything worked out and there's no more puckering on the mask and it's all done. So thank you for coming with me on this journey of facial discovery and I will see you next time. Bye!